YouTube, guys, today I'm really angry. Why am I angry, guys? Guys, you busy watching my videos, you're not liking, you're not commenting, you're not sharing, you're not even subscribing, guys. Why? We're on our way to 10,000, and look, I don't even know how to speak English, but today I'm gonna be risking for you guys to speak in English so that you enjoy the videos. Okay, guys, today I'm back with another interesting topic. Let me breathe first. I was running, guys. I was walking a very long distance so that I'll give you all content, guys. If I show you where I am, look here. I'm down there where there's no even houses. I walked for about 10 kilometers from the bus stop. But anyways, guys, and one more thing, I'm very angry because look at my shoes. This is a 2,500 Rands Air Force. Okay, never mind. So guys, today we are in, I'm not going to tell you the place, I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. But today, I saw a lot of you guys are complaining. You are being scammed with your relatives, you are being scammed with your friends. If you are living in diaspora, you want to buy stands, but you don't know where to go. You end up buying stands from those land barons. You end up getting stands, which is not like legal stands. So today I'm gonna be showing you both legal and illegal stands. I am on the middle of both legal and illegal stands. But today, what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna show you factors that you should look at before buying a stand, things that you should look at before getting a stand, and the type of stand that you should go to. Guys, don't mind about my English, but yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the stands. My English, guys, English. But anyways, guys, so what I'm going to do now is today I'm gonna be showing you the stands that are in Fidelity. They call it Southview Park. Those stands are legal stands and well-serviced stands. I'm gonna be showing you a well-serviced ground where they are selling stands versus the one that you're gonna see in Ushokunze where there's land barons. Understand? So make sure you stay tuned, you watch the video to the end, you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. I'm gonna be showing you how the stands should look like when they are selling them. That's how you see that this land is legal, it's not illegal. This land is well serviced. This land, the government is aware of it. Don't just buy a land like this one. Let me show you this one. They call it Tanaka. As you can see, the first red flag is this land, these stands, they are near Mukuvis River. You can't buy a land in Mukuvis. Look, they are living in a river, those guys. What about if there's floods? How are they going to survive? So guys, that's the first red flag that you should look at. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you a plain ground which they are selling stands in Fidelity Park or Southview Park. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Let's get it. So guys, due to bad sound, I did not manage to vlog the full vlog of the illegal place in Ushokunze, but I'm gonna be putting some clips so that you understand what I'm trying to say. In Ushokunze, there's bed roads. That's first red flag. Bed roads, there's no electricity, there's no sewer. You can't buy a stand where there's no electricity, where there's no sewer, where there's no roads. Why? Imagine you've built your main house and then the government is just gonna come from nowhere, cancel, and then they say, no, this place is not serviced, so we're gonna put a sewage, what do you call it? A sewage tank, a sewage railway. Is it a railway? Okay, we're gonna put sewer through your dining room, and now we have to break a house. But this place is not serviced yet. What if they say they want to put the electricity and it's gonna come across your house, over your house? Guys, don't mind my English. And then what are you gonna do now? So guys, I would advise you not to buy the stands that are not serviced. Guys, today we are in Ushokunze. As you can see, you can't say you are buying a legal stand in a place like this. Why am I saying that? When stands are being, when they are selling stands, right, they make sure that firstly they are servicing the stands before selling them to people, right? Look at this place. Look at the roads. Let me come closer here, guys. You can see the road is not nice. The road is not serviced. You can see the houses. There's no house plans. This is a 2,000 square meter stand. How can you get a very big? The other thing that is very important that you need to check before buying something, right, is price. Right? So some of the things that you need to consider before buying a stand is price. In Ushokunze, they are getting 2,000 square meters, a house which is bigger, like, what can I say, if I can give an example, it's like, do you know how big it is? Like a football ground that size. You get that's saying for something like 2,000 US, 2,000 square meters. That doesn't make sense at all. So sometimes what you have to consider is pricing when getting something. Get a price which matches something that you want to get. It doesn't make sense to get a 2,000 square meters for 2,000 US dollars. So you can see that this is scam and this is not legal. That's another red flag. You understand? So guys, I was talking about price. The other thing that we need to take note of when buying stands is price. As you can see, these stands, they are 2,000 square meters stands, right? And those people, if you want to do our calculations, if you want to do our further research, you can find out that these people, they bought those stands for maybe about 2,000 US dollars. 2,000 US dollars, you can't even purchase a 200 square meter stand. You understand? So when buying stands, right, there are factors that you need to consider before buying stands. First thing, make sure that the price, it makes sense. You can't get a 2,000 square meter stand for something like 2,000 years. That doesn't make sense. That's the first red flag, right? So guys, I just told you about the pricing, the roads, and everything. And the other thing, please try by all means to get the stands that does not include politics. Either is ZANU-PF, either is MDC, either is whatever part that is in Zimbabwe. Please try to get stands that does not include politics. Why? I don't want to say much, but please just try to avoid those stands, because at the end of the day, you might end up losing everything. Guys, the other red flag is roads. Look at the roads, guys. Look at how crazy the roads are. Guys, people, they are purchasing stands with petty money or a lot of money. Look at the roads, man. You can't even buy a stand where there's a road like this. You understand? Some things we have to make sure, some things we have to use our minds. I don't think the government is even aware of those stands. You understand? This is pure scam. As you can see, this is scam. Those stands, government, they don't even know about them. So guys, when you're sending your money, when you're purchasing a stand, make sure that you're getting the right ground. Make sure you're getting the ground which is serviced. Make sure that you're getting the ground with sewer, with electricity, with everything that you think the government can be included. Don't just buy stands just in case. As you can see, this area is for shops, and already there are some houses that have been built there. We heard that this area is for schools, for shops, clinics, and all government facilities that can take place. But to match the price, look at this. The people, they are building their houses here. The people, they are buying stands from land barons. The people, they are buying stands from their relatives. The people, they are getting stands that are not even legal. Guys, please be sure, make sure that you are getting the right stands, because one day you're gonna cry. The government, they're gonna come and break your house. And don't blame anyone tomorrow. Don't send money to your relatives. Get someone who really knows how to deal with stands. Get someone who really knows how to get a stand legally, not illegal. You understand? Please, guys, don't buy stands where you don't know. Please. I think you can see.
As you can see, guys, there's an industry which is operating just 5 meters away from the house. Where is the space for the roadies? There's no roadies. They don't even care about all forms of pollution, wind pollution, noise pollution, even their health. They don't even care about that. Beware, guys.
You know what I'm talking about. So hey guys, I'm done with the illegal stands that are in Ushokunze. Now I'm gonna be showing you legal stands to buy, especially if you are in abroad. Please make sure you hit up Fidelity. This is a free advert. They did not pay me anything. Go to Fidelity or a so-called Southview Park. This is one of the places that I saw where they sell the nice stands that are legal, well serviced, and well maintained. Let's get into it. Okay, so yeah guys, here is another ground which they are selling stands. As you can see, if you come here, the place is well serviced. There's drainage system where the water can flow. There won't be potholes. There won't be any road damages that can take place because there's well drainage system. As you can see, there's also nice road signs that are here. There's no one who's living here yet, but I think this ground was serviced about 4 years ago. You understand? As you can see, there are nice roads here. It's just that there's no one who is living here. But as you can see, this is a new tower which is serviced. Here it's just that there's grass, but there is a nice drainage system. As you can see, there is a very nice road which is constructed. That's other thing that you can see, that this land is legal. It's not illegal. How can someone service or put some drainage system on a land like a land baron? You can't do that. You understand? A land baron will always be behind time. A land baron won't show you some paperwork. A land baron will be rushing. You can even see with the pricing sometimes. You understand? So yeah, go through all the process. Don't rush. just be stable, man, when getting stands. Please don't send money to your relatives. I'm gonna be showing you another video interviewing some builders, how it costs, how much it costs, how much does it cost, like roughly how much to put a box, what do you call it, this foundation box, to put your main house and stuff, so that you won't be scammed by your bad relatives. You understand? As you can see, this is a nice area for stands. As you can see, it's well serviced. So those are the stands right there. So this is the road, and the road here, which means there's gonna be houses here, Jura house is there, and yeah, you understand? Things that are well maintained. They already put the sewer, there's drainage system already, there's nice roads already. We just left with the people that are going to live here. Besides that, also they're installing a booster for network, as you can see down there, and also they are putting electricity before there is any people that are living here. The last time that I checked the price of those stands, they were costing 15,200 something US. But that was like 5 years ago when they started selling the stands down there in Upper Fidelis there. As you can see, guys, there's nice roads there. It's just weird because there's no one who is walking around in this place, and there's no one who is driving around in this place. As you can see, guys, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm in the forest doing content for you guys so that you won't like, you won't share, you won't subscribe, and you'll be scammed with your dirty-minded relatives. Guys, be aware, be awake. Look, it's a nice area, this one. If you want to buy a stand, please make sure you hit me up. I will go to the ground. I will go and check out for you. All you need to do is you need to Uber for me to go to the ground, and then just a drinking jana. I don't want much, but I will go to the ground. I'll be talking to you. You won't send me any money. You will send your money to the people that you're dealing with. What I'm gonna be doing is only what I only be doing is like I will be seeing what's happening on the ground. If you are building something, it's better to work with me than to work with your dirty-minded relatives. Because at the end of the day, they think that you are earning a lot. They think that you have money. They end up scamming you. There's no one who wanna see your progress in your family. I wanna tell you this. Please make sure you don't get scammed with your relatives. You understand? So guys, as you can see, if you wanna get a stand, make sure you come to this place. It's called Fidelity Southview Park. Make sure you search it out. If you wanna see exactly where I'm standing, unfortunately I don't know the exact name, but it's the same company which is selling at the stands, but it's opposite a farm called Buxton Farm. I'm gonna write it down on the screen. If you go on GPS on maps, and then you search Buxton Farm on the entrance, the opposite ground, that's the ground that I'm talking about. And then at the back of it's also near Amukubis River, but not in the river banks. No, on the river banks. No. So guys, this is an example of legal stands that you can get. Don't just buy stands because of pressure. Then you end up getting the stands whereby they will measure, doing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 meters. That's a stand. No. Make sure that you get your stand to right from the right supply. Guys, my English. But yeah, guys, if you like more of this content, I'm not sure if you love this content, but if you love this content, I'm gonna go deeper into the topics. I'm gonna go to council, interview those guys. I'm gonna look for the guys that sells stands. I'm gonna look for the professionals. Please take note that please just know that whatever I'm telling you is from my own perspective. Is this perspectives? But yeah, mafungiro wangu. I said I'm not gonna be speaking Shona today. But yeah, as you can see, guys, the roads, they are nicely serviced. As you can see down there. So if you wanna see this place, it's right here opposite this farm. This farm is a wedding venue. It's called the Buxton Farm. Yes, now in content, I'm gonna be showing you in the next video. Also, I might show you the nice gardens to do your weddings. This is the Buxton Farm. Down there, as you can see the trees down there, there's High-Tech Farm. If you go down there and there's Buxton, there's what you call Baidora. So make sure you stay tuned. I might show you that information in the following video. As you can see down there. And they call it South Mews. Yeah, South Mews. I think that's the name of the place, South Mews. South Mews, but what I know is it's under Fidelity. It's under Southview Park. Please check out our South Mews on Google. Maybe that's the name of the place. As you can see down here, well serviced, well maintained. Everything is fine down there. Don't go for those places in Tanaka, whatever there. No. This is not an illegal place. So guys, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, share. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to buy my shoes that you just finished. Because I'm working for you, you Diasporians. I hate you and I love you guys. Thank you for the support. I love you. Mwah.